Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting rumors to hit the tech world ahead of CES 2025, DJI's first foldable mini drone, the DJI Flip. With whispers of its innovative design and powerful features, this little drone is already making waves before its official debut. So grab your controller, or maybe just a coffee, and let's unpack everything we know so far. The DJI Flip is rumored to be a game-changer in DJI's lineup. This isn't just a drone, it's a statement. It's compact, it's lightweight, and it folds into something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it lands squarely in the coveted sub-250 grams category, meaning no registration hassles in many regions. When fully unfolded, it measures 30 by 30 by 8 centimeters, making it portable without sacrificing performance. One of the Flip's standout features is its fully enclosed propellers. This design isn't just cool, it's practical. Whether you're flying around people, indoors, or in tighter spaces, this innovation prioritizes safety without compromising style. DJI seems to be targeting beginners and hobbyists here, but trust me, even seasoned pilots will appreciate this level of safety. Now let's talk about the heart of any drone, the camera. The DJI Flip doesn't disappoint. Rumors point to a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K HDR video at 60 FPS. Whether you're capturing family adventures or creating cinematic masterpieces, this camera delivers. What about stabilization? That's still up for debate. Will it feature a 2-axis or 3-axis gimbal? Either way, DJI's reputation for smooth footage and intelligent tracking should shine through. Plus, optional ND filters? That's a clear nod to serious creators. Powering all this innovation is a 3,110 mAh battery, providing up to 31 minutes of flight time, a huge deal for a drone this small. If you're opting for the Fly More combo, you'll get 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a sleek carry bag for maximum convenience. Charging times? 45 minutes per battery with the hub's efficient setup. That's perfect for pilots on the go. Safety isn't just about enclosed propellers. Rumors suggest the Flip will feature AI-driven obstacle avoidance, possibly using a LiDAR sensor, a technology we've seen in DJI's higher-end drones like the Air 3s. This makes it a great companion for navigating complex environments while ensuring a smooth, safe flight experience. Now let's talk numbers. According to leaks, the base model of the DJI Flip will retail for €439 or approximately $458. If you're eyeing the RC2 controller package, that'll cost around €639 at 6. And for those going all in with the Fly More combo, expect to shell out €779, about $812. Launch day, mark your calendars, January 14th, 2025. Expect DJI to showcase this beauty at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. So, is the DJI Flip poised to shake up the mini drone market? While it may not reinvent the wheel, its combination of portability, safety features, and advanced camera capabilities makes it a compelling option. Whether you're a beginner looking for simplicity or a seasoned pilot seeking convenience, the Flip seems to have something for everyone. But we want to hear from you. Will the DJI Flip find a place in your drone arsenal? Or is this just another incremental update? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more drone news, reviews, and rumors.